Okay guys, it is time for a new update here on the Bitcoin price, and I can already promise you guys it is a crucial one because as you guys know, I'm still in around $3 million in long positions, but I took around $70,000. I can show you here with the closed P&L. I took around $70,000 in profits today off these long positions, and I even opened with not half but a little bit of these profits I took. I opened a short hedge position, and why I went short here while we are pumping and everything is looking very bullish, I will tell you exactly right now. I can already tell you this video is very relevant for the next 24 hours, and I'm uploading this video to a very or just at a very bad timing because not many viewers of mine are online, and YouTube is going to punish that by not ranking the video or not recommending it tomorrow while the information is still crucial to my viewers. So guys, I would really be insanely thankful if you could smash up a like here on today's video. Every single video of mine reaches above 1000 likes, so let's reach that for sure today. And also subscribe to the channel, activate the bell if you haven't already, but most importantly, smash up a like and especially leave a comment down below to push the YouTube algorithm to make sure that the video will be suggested tomorrow also to the people, so they don't miss out on the important content I'm going to talk about today and they don't get wrecked. So now guys, let's jump right into it. Thank you very much for your support. I really appreciate it. Let's take a look on the weekly time frame before I update you completely on my positions and what I'm doing. I for sure have to jump into the charts and tell you exactly why I'm doing these things with my trade. On the weekly time frame, still nothing has changed. I already told you in my last video that even though the weekly candle closed so weirdly, that we still will have a chance to actually complete here a W pattern. And right now there's still a very good chance. I mean, there's still 3 days, almost 4 days left here, 4 entire days left to complete here a weekly candle close above the $43,000 level, so there's still a chance for that. But let's not focus too much on the bigger time frames because there's so much very important stuff happening on the smaller time frames relevant for the next 24 hours. On the daily time frame, nothing has changed so far. On the daily time frame, we are still forming here a potential smaller W pattern within our ascending triangle. So here a bullish formation that could be completed by the bulls if they are able to break the very important price levels that I'm going to show you right now in a second. But this ascending triangle still for sure, if we break and this very important resistance remains since pretty much a couple of weeks ago already, a month ago when I first mentioned it to you guys, the $44,000 to $45,000 level, the most important resistance we have to still break to the upside, is also for sure our horizontal resistance for the W, as also of this ascending possible triangle. But now let's take a look at the even smaller time frames at the 4-hourly, and this is the smallest time frame I want to go to today because here the most important stuff is happening. And if you're asking yourself, what is this green box doing here, I can already tell you what it is doing here. It is representing the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement levels. The lower support here is of this green box is actually this the Fibonacci retracement levels if you're connecting the candle closes, and the above one, the resistance or the above line of this support area here or possible resistance area, this is if you're connecting the wicks of the Fibonacci retracement levels, then you are getting actually this line. So we are really respecting here all different versions of the dead cat bounce scenario. And for not or what we don't want to see, since we are bullish, right? We have bigger long positions than short. We don't want to see a dead cat bounce. And for that, we actually need to break successfully here out of this area exactly between the 41,700 to $42,300 level. But as you guys know, for confirmed breakout, we also need to break the old high point to the upside, and the old high point is right now based at exactly, let's take a look here, $42,500. So as soon as we break $42,500 to the upside and we close a 4-hourly candle above that, I will actually scale up my long positions once again. And I mean, in the best case scenario, for sure, as always, if we break above the $44,000 to $45,000 level, I mean, I will scale up my long positions dramatically as well. But since there is still the risk of this dead cat bounce happening and it's not 100% sure yet, I wanted to take some profits and wanted to open a short hedge position to be prepared for a potential dump here to the downside. I mean, we did this the last 2 times and it worked out great. So I want to be prepared here again, because in the worst case, at least on the smaller time frames, we could see a correction all the way down again here to the $38,500 levels if we are retesting here the ascending support of our potential ascending triangle reversal that we are forming here. And this is why I opened this short position, and I will for sure tomorrow update you on how this small short hedge position went. But even if we're pumping now to the upside, I mean, my long positions will make a lot more profit than the $30,000 I'm risking here. And since we already took $70,000 worth of profits out of this position today, I mean, there's really no risk. There's not really any risk involved in putting these $30,000 into a trade at a very important resistance that could result in us having to maybe close our long positions. And for that reason, I want to make sure that I'm insured if we're seeing here now a correction, which is not unlikely for sure. Guys, make some noise for the algorithm. Like I said, guys, it's a very, very bad time for video to be uploaded. So please, this is important information for everyone right now that is following my channel, that is maybe having the same trades open as I am right now. So smash up a like. Let's reach 1,000 likes as always as a minimum goal. Smash up as always also the subscription if you haven't done so already, and also activate the bell if you haven't done so already, and leave me a comment down below to push the YouTube algorithm to make sure everyone sees this relevant information on the Bitcoin price right now revealing in the charts. We're going to see us in the next video. Till then, guys, enjoy your day. Bye bye.